YouTube TV advertising lets brands showcase ads on live TV streams and YouTube content, right where viewers are most engaged. Imagine your ad appearing during live sports, blockbuster movies, or trending shows. That's the power of YouTube TV. This approach is perfect for reaching cord cutters who've ditched traditional TV. Plus, these ads are skippable, measurable, and targeted thanks to Google Ads data. You can choose your audience, location, and devices to ensure your message hits home. Setting it up is easy. Just head to your Google Ads account and create a video campaign. Select the goal of brand awareness and reach, and choose YouTube TV and connected TV placements. Upload your ad, set your budget, and hit launch. It's that simple. For success, keep your message short and sweet. Under 30 seconds is ideal. Use eye-catching visuals to grab attention and end with a clear call to action. And that's it. You're all set to advertise on YouTube TV and connect with audiences like never before. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let's grow your brand with smart advertising.